Essential equipment for goat farming beginners. Starting a goat farm? Let's go over the essential equipment you'll need to get started. Fencing. First up, fencing. Goats are notorious escape artists, so sturdy, secure fencing is a must. Consider using woven wire, electric fencing, or livestock panels. Different types of feeders in use. Watering systems. Clean water is essential. Automatic waterers or sturdy water buckets should be available at all times to keep your goats hydrated. Goats. Drinking from automatic waterers. Hoof trimming tools. Regular hoof trimming is necessary to prevent hoof problems. Hoof trimmers, a hoof pick, and a hoof knife are essential tools for this task. Farmer installing sturdy fencing shelter. Next, you'll need proper shelter. A simple, well-ventilated shed or barn will protect your goats from the elements. Ensure it's spacious enough for your herd to move around comfortably. Inside a goat shelter with happy goats feeding equipment. Feeding equipment is crucial. Invest in durable hay racks, grain feeders, and mineral feeders to keep your goats well-nourished and healthy. Farmer trimming goat hooves, healthcare. Supplies for healthcare. Keep a first aid kit on hand with essentials like antiseptic, bandages, and wound spray. You'll also need syringes, needles, and medications for vaccinations and deworming. Overview of a basic goat first aid kit milking equipment. If you're raising dairy goats, milking equipment is a must. Start with a milking stand, pail, and strainer. For larger operations, consider a milking machine.